Hey G, how did that hatch turn out on this Model 3?
I'll tell you, it takes skills, but it's not too bad. If you like this side, that side, no, you guys trying not to spray any rubbing alcohol, tacking solution. Make sure, I would recommend definitely first thing I would do is to remove tail lights. So that way, when I close, and then if I have a tail light on the way, this part it would lift, so it would never tack right. So what I did, as I showed you in the previous video, you tack it so it's kind of flush, right? So that way, as I did, everything is all one piece, everything, there's zero stretch marks, as you can see. I didn't show a little bit. And you see, normally it's I've seen a lot of times they get the stretch marks here. The reason why they get usually on the crease, like body lines, usually it tacks even faster. So normally it's better to polish this area, so that way on the polish, paint protection does not stick. And so to remove that, all the tail lights, normally you can wrap the edges even better. When you have tail lights so close, then it's kind of like it would be cut here. Then you have basically, once it gets dirty, you can see everything. But beside that, it's, as you can see, it's all it's missing is just emblem. As far as emblems, normally I do remove all the emblems, and I would not recommend anyone cutting. I've seen some really bad cuts where people like really cut around the T. You don't want to do that on brand new car. But as far as tail lights, normally it's like a 2 bolts, 2 clips on the side. If you guys don't know, this one I can open, and this one 2 clips. Really, it's a 1 bolt, and everything it pops. It's kind of beginning, like once you lose, it's kind of a little bit tough. But I pulled that out without any tools. Just it needs a little bit muscle. That's all. Beside that, obviously you're gonna need to remove this plastics just to get to the bolt. But beside that is, for the most part, it's pretty good. I know you guys all at work, always, we all comment, we all judge each other, but we do wrap edges, and as you can see, every corner gets wrapped edges. We remove as much as we can remove. Everything is just ready to be wrapped, and yeah, but normally we keep it all there for overnight and come back next day. It would be very easy, especially with the California weather. It stays 100 after it sees off. Yeah, and if you guys like our video, please subscribe and follow us. SoCal Tint Shop.